Hey you guys, I wanted to review for today on this wireless alarm system, and this is the cutest alarm system I've ever seen in my life. I absolutely think this is adorable. I love it. This is the sensor, what you're going to mount outside. This is the receiver that goes inside your house. You'll plug that in. When something triggers the sensor, then this will go off. An alarm will go off and let you know. And it's super easy to get installed. You just have the batteries here on the back. And under the battery pack, it actually has the sensor where you can change it to high sensitivity or low sensitivity. And low sensitivity actually reaches about 35 feet, and the high sensitivity is 50 feet. So that reaches a pretty good distance. So like I said, it's real easy to get installed. You just put your batteries in, then you'll have the indicator light on the back. Then you just put the back over it. You have the ball that screws into that. And then you're going to have this that's going to go over the ball. And this will be mounted on the post, the tree, wherever you're wanting to put it outside. So that'll just fit over there. And that way you can actually move this around. You can adjust it however you need to. And let me show you how well the sensor works for this. So let me get this plugged in. So you can hear how loud that is. And it's got 35 different tones that you can change it here on the side, and also adjust the volume if you need to. But this is really awesome alarm system, you guys, and it's super adorable. So if you're on the market looking for a new alarm system that you want to give a try, definitely try this one out, you guys. I think you'll be impressed as I am. And who doesn't want something this cute hanging outside their house? So you guys, if you've taken the time to watch this video, I hope you have a great day.